minutes. I'm having problems with my fire, which goes out when I leave it. The way I conduct my days in my smithy is that I come in for an hour and a half, go back to the house, have a nice cup of coffee and maybe a small bun or something, and then I come back. And if I leave the fire running, it overheats. If I shut it down, it virtually goes out. Now, my teacher gave me a cracking tip. He said, bury a piece of softwood in the fire. There we go. 2 by 2, cut to about a square. Tried that, works well, but trying to bury the wood in the fire deep enough so that it keeps the fire alight is difficult because the radiation from the hot coals is unbearable. So he told me to make a blacksmith slice, a tool which blacksmiths don't generally use nowadays because they don't coke their own coal. And it's a very simple thing. I've cut out a blade from a piece of tin. I've got a handle made from 8mm square. I've drilled the both to match each other. I think I'm winning now. There we have it, all done. Righto, we'll try it out in a minute. It's 20 minutes to 3 o'clock now. I doubt if I'll be up much before getting off at 4 o'clock after I've had my lunch and walk the dog. Let's see how we get on. That's enough, I think. Put it in there. Okay, the time is now 4:10. So, within an hour and a half. Yeah, let's see if this has worked. Turn the blower up now. Now I think I need to put a hanging end on the end of my new little tool, just a simple round. I'm not going to round it up, in fact I'll make it into a hook. That'll do to hang it up with. It's not right at all, but it'll do.